Lancier interlocking cable rollers. Underground rollers for the installation of power cable. Quality German-made. Lightweight polypropylene frame. Lightweight and shock resistant. For up to 132 mm diameter cable. Sealed ball bearings. Multiple function design with interlocking stake holes. Shaped for interlocking storage. Accessories available are stackable galvanized steel carry frame, which is made of a strong steel frame for transportation of 6 rollers, and reusable anchor pins. Used to secure rollers to the ground. Comes with offset pull ring so it does not get damaged by hammering into the ground. Made from zinc-plated steel, HTC is the authorized distributor of Lancier interlocking cable rollers in New Zealand. For more information visit htc.co.nz.